Hey, here's a quick tutorial on how to log into your GradCity account. Start by heading over to gradcity.com and click on Login. For US travelers, select US travelers. Then scroll down to the customer portal, enter in your customer ID number, followed by your last name, and click on Log into my account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be able to review all your trip information, reservation details, contact details, flight details, how to make a payment, payment history, and invoicing. You can also add any supplements like the Gold Pass or Platinum Pass or any excursions specific to your trip. If you want to make a payment, select Make a Payment. Once here, you'll need to review the Terms and Conditions Part 1 and 2. Once you've reviewed them, check the boxes and select Yes, I agree. Here you'll be able to review your account summary, your current balance for your trip, as well as your minimum payment schedule. Once you're ready to pay, select the amount you want to pay for your trip and hit Continue. Here you'll need to enter in your credit card information, and once ready, click on Submit Payment. And that's it. You're all done. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out. We're always here to help. We can't wait to see you in paradise soon. Bye!